When we listen to the Pahalgam news, the blood boils with anger, right? You feel that, you should take the guns and bombs and go on the border and fight. But that is not what we can do. And the question to ask is not of the things that we can't do, but what are the things that we can do? First, let us identify where and who and what the real enemy is. The enemy outside there is less dangerous than the enemy inside. The terrorist attack which happened because of the enemies inside. Similarly, the enemies within us are much more dangerous than anything outside. Now let us ask the question, why did this happen? Why did the people there in Pahalgam die? Some may say that it's because they were Hindus. Again ask why. Did they die only because they were Hindus? No. The question is because the terrorists attacked them. Now, why did those terrorists attack them? Then we get to the root cause that they were being taught to harm people. There was negativity fed into them. Right from their school days, right from day one, they were taught about this destruction. There was anger, hatred built in them. In the madarses, again, let me tell you the incidents. We already know this 26/11 incidents of Mumbai. And one of my friend who has also written a book, she lost her best friend in this 26/11. And she just couldn't accept it. So she went to Pakistan to find out, the basic reason of that. And she found out that in the madarses, the people, the children, right from day one, they were taught about destroying others, destroying those who are not Muslims. And that education, that sanskar, that value which was built in that child was the main culprit. And it is not only that education system in the madarses which is prevailing in Pakistan, but also the education system which is there in India currently majorly. This education system was bought by the Britishers over here. And why? Because they didn't want creative thinkers, but they wanted servants who would just work for them, something like donkeys do. So they vanished and destroyed our Gurukul system, which gave the real education, the real knowledge, and they bought in the current education system. The real education is not to be sold. That's how the Gurukuls worked in the olden days. There was free knowledge. The children, after 8 years, they stayed with their Guru and the Guruma, and the sanskars were given to the children. And that is how it should be. But today, schools, colleges, institutes, they are all looked as a means of earning money, of looting the people, of getting commercial. That's not real education. How will that happen? The real education used to be in the Gurukul, and so whatever anger we have right now because of this Pahalgam attack, let's not waste that anger. Let's use the anger not to break but to build. To build the base of what lies ahead, what should be. The base is education, the base is the Gurukul system, the parampara. And say, look at the language that I'm talking. I'm still not talking the Bharatiya language. My language is still being dictated by the Britishers. My education happened in the English medium school. I was a professor in HOD where I had to use English language, and that's what comes naturally to me. But I have taken a step. I have started speaking in Hindi. First, I took the flow. The flow came in English, and now the next language, अगला वीडियो हम हिंदी में करने जा रहे हैं. तो एक्शन लेना ज़रूरी है. जैसे भी हो, छोटा स्टेप तो लीजिए. भले ही उसमें कुछ गलतियाँ हो जाए, पर लीजिए तो सही. करके तो देखिए.